Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect a hard disk or an SSD to your Android phone. So the first thing you want to do is check out the cable of your hard disk or SSD. If it has a Type C connector on the other end, then that's very simple. All you have to do is plug it into the Type C port of your Android phone. But if you have one of those older hard disks like this one with a Type A USB connector, then you need an adapter. So you can use an adapter like this with a Type A port and a Type C connector, which goes into your phone. So connect the other end of the cable from your hard disk to the connector like that, and then push in the adapter with the Type C connector into the phone. Simple as that. Now that you've done that, give it a couple of seconds. You can see my hard disk has lit up. So now it's accidentally disconnected. So let's give it a couple of moments. So now let's go into the file manager and try to access our hard disk. So in the file manager app, let's go to there, and then you should see USB storage. So you have USB storage 1 and USB storage 2, and that's because I have partitioned this particular hard disk into two different partitions. One is in FAT32 file system, which is this one, 524 gigs, and then you have this one, which is 1.44 terabytes, and this is in the normal NTFS file system. So I can access both. So let's try with the NTFS file system, this one. Let's get in there. You can see the files and folders in there. You can see if you have any photos, videos, you can check them all out from here. Okay, so there are our screenshots. There we go. So that's basically how to connect. So let's go back and try to access the other partition, which is this one here. And you can see we can also access that. Okay, so you can go into the files and folders, check out images, watch videos, and stuff like that. Okay, so when you're done, you can always come to this section, tap on the three dots and select unmount. And you might have to do it for both partitions if you have a partitioned hard disk. And then you can now eject. So that's basically how to connect an external hard disk or SSD to your Android phone. For this tutorial, I used a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14, but this works on literally any Android phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.